and make money. I'm glad you're honest. Thank you, Linda. That's why I always suggest that notaries learn at least the fundamentals of running a notary agency or notary firm. And I'm gonna tell you exactly how to do it. I'm gonna show you how easy it is for you to run a notary. I told you I'm gonna give you guys the work. I'm gonna give you guys everything. You go to a website called notarycafe.com. On notarycafe.com, they will give you, all you have to do is type in the zip code that you need the notarization in, and a whole list of pretty good notaries come up. When you're looking for notaries, I would suggest that you look for the person that has at least 90 to 100% of their profile completed. 90 to 100% of their profile completed. That means they took their listing very seriously and they want to be found. Now, if somebody has a 50% profile completed, don't go with them, because that, even in school, that would be considered a failing grade.